ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ your eyes they look like Kareena Kapoor?
It's a compliment. She's a great
Yeah,
actor.
yeah.
The eyes are beautiful, and I think they say that eyes speak a lot,
Yeah.
and it really is. It complements you as an actor as
Correct,
well.
correct.
I started with South Indian industry.
अच्छा जी, okay.
When I was in college, I was in Bangalore.
अच्छा जी, okay.
And that's when I started getting approached by a lot of our topmost South Indian actors and producers. So it was a great experience. You are the only heroine with
Correct.
3 big major stars. It's not easy.
Correct.
But I'm glad that I got that opportunity, and it was a great project. I've been loved for that project all over the world now.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਰਮਨ ਚਮਕ, ਆਈ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਟੁਡੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਵਿਦ ਅਸ ਦ ਮੋਸਟ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਵਿਦ ਗੋਲਡਨ ਆਈਜ਼ ਕੁਲਰਾਜ ਰੰਧਾਵਾ ਜੀ। ਸ਼ੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ ਐਜ਼ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਐਕਟਰੈਸ। ਲੈਟਸ ਜਸਟ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਵਰਡ ਵਿਦ ਹਰ। ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਯੂ ਮੈਮ?
Thank you so much, Ramanji, for getting me on your channel. And
Pleasure.
It's really wonderful to be in Amritsar today. It's always an honor, a privilege to come to
Darbar Sahib.
Shri Harmandir Sahib Ji and do the darshan. It's really nice.
Ma'am, what is your next upcoming project? I think you were shooting for some movie and you jet lag and you're tired. I can see that.
ਅਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਫਿਲਮ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਬੇਗਾਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ 15 ਨਵੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ।
Okay ji.
And it has Yogaraj ji in it. It has Roshan Prince. It has Preet in it. It has a child artist named Arman in it.
Okay.
Rana Ranveer ji ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਨੇ। The film is about the relationships between a family, which is within a family, how ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ they are not welcome in the house.
Correct.
So ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਉਲਝ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ, we take them for granted, especially also the relationship between children and grandparents.
I think the movie has been shooted abroad ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ parents I think ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ and they are not able to cope up with the culture, I think, है ना? That's some cultural
Basically,
shock.
yes, the film is based out of Calgary in Canada.
ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਉਹ we've seen it very often now ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ grandparents ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਨਾ ਬੁਲਾਏ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ for basically taking care of the grandchildren, because ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਵਿਚਾਰੇ parents ਵੀ sometimes you feel that they're trying their best to do all the work, they're also trying to meet their ends, and they have to pay bills, they're running about, ਤੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ support system ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, so they rely on their own parents to do that. But ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੱਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ aged parents ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ they feel like we are just being used for certain things,
taken for granted,
and even parents forget that ਉਹ ਵੀ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਵੀ we have to respect their space, their time also.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ।
So it's a great film. It's a family film. The trailer has been really liked by a lot of people. So
when is it? The release date? When is it?
15th of November. It's releasing everywhere.
Okay. We really hope this movie goes at a very high pitch and it does good in its field.
Thank you so much. No, I appreciate, and good wishes are always welcome.
Yes, ma'am. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਬੜੀ say what Hindi ਆਪਣੇ Bollywood ਦੇ stars ਵੱਡੇ ਦਿੱਗਜ stars ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। Let me just start with the top most ਧਰਮ ਭਾਜੀ, ਧਰਮਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ, and how was it to work with all the deols? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ deols ਨਾਲ, heavy duty deols ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ, how was the experience and all?
It was very exciting because ਜਦੋਂ you are the only heroine with 3 big major stars, it's not easy.
Correct.
But I'm glad that I got that opportunity, and it was a great project. I've been loved for that project all over the world now.
Correct.
But it was brilliant. Taramji, being Taramji, he's a sweetheart and he's so accommodating.
Correct.
He's so very father-like figure. So he was very helpful for that. Sunny sir, of course, is a master of the art which he does, and also Bobby is he's very naughty, but but I had a great rapport and great time working with him, and it's a great experience.
Correct. And just let me go ahead with the Punjabi movies now. Binu Paji to naughty ta koi ho nahi sakta, I guess. He's
Binuji is, yes, he's known to be the big prankster in the Punjabi industry, but because he also comes from the theatre background, so ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ the experience as an actor is very rich. When you work with him, so he's very versatile. I started doing my first film Mannat Sigi ਜਿਹੜੀ Jimmy Shergill ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੀਗੀ, so and I ended up doing 3 films with him, Jimmy ਨਾਲ, and other various actors. But I think I've been like considerably lucky in my career, in my life, knowing that I never wanted to be an actor myself first. It just happened. But as I did, I worked with a lot of great actors. I worked with Anupam ji, I worked with Om Puri ji, I worked with Rishi Kapoor, Taram ji, Sunny, Bobby, Jimmy, of course, and then Binu ji, and now Yuvraj ji, Roshan Prince, Rana Rani. So it's exhaustive, but it's very nice and it's a great experience.
So kisi ne kiya your eyes, they look like Kareena Kapoor, though I'm not comparing, but you look like Punjab di Kareena Kapoor. So what do you take that as a compliment?
It's a compliment. She's a great actor. The eyes are beautiful, and I think they say that eyes speak a lot, and it really is it complements you as an actor as well. Correct. Especially for an actress, I feel that eyes is what is very, very important. So yes, thank you.
Ma'am, what any web series or anything new projects are coming up?
Yes, in fact, I'm looking forward for another feature I just completed in UK recently, and it's called Bada Karara Pudna.
Acha ji.
It is a remake of Marathi feature film.
Acha ji.
ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ it's a story of 5 sisters.
Acha.
And it's a remake of a film which did about 97 crores in business in Marathi. But ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਫਿਲਮ ਕਰਕੇ, because first of all that's an extraordinary film because it shows the camaraderie and relationship between your own siblings.
Okay.
And how women to women they stand up in sisterhood.
Okay. ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਸਾਰਾ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਐਂਡ ਇਵਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਵਾਮਿਕਾ ਗੱਬੀ ਐਂਡ ਆਲ ਦੇ ਮੂਵਿੰਗ ਟੁਵਰਡਸ ਦ ਸਾਊਥ, ਸੋ ਮਰਾਠੀ ਯੂ ਟੋਲਡ ਮੀ ਯੈਸ ਮਰਾਠੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਅਲੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਸਾਈਡ ਐਂਡ
you know what's the best part, it's very interesting, is that I started with South Indian industry.
Acha ji. Okay.
When I was in college, I was in Bangalore.
Acha ji. Okay.
And that's when I started getting approached by a lot of our topmost South Indian actors and producers. So it was a great experience, getting to know them. But though I was very young, so my parents thought ki nahi abhi, you're very young and you just finished college, so you at least get trained as an actor if you really want to do this. So I went to Bombay, I trained myself as an actor, and that's when I got my first break, which was Kareena, the TV show.
Yeah, TV show, Zeet te jada aanda rahe, yes. And how was it working with Tushar Kapoor and, the Kapoors?
Kapoors is fun. Tushar is a brilliant actor. And because they've been in this line for so many now generations, so definitely it was a great experience working with him as well.
Great. ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟਸ ਆਣ, and we also pray that for you.
And most importantly, I think ਚਲੋ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਆਂਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, we start the project, but ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬੜੇ ਹੀ I would say you really need that good luck. And ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੁਲਾਵਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ, and it's a very, very precious time for me. Personally, it's a very, very precious time which I very look forward to. It's not only just about your profession, but it's also about your your inner aura, your peace, your cleansing of your environment, your thought process. Because ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ time ਬਸ ਇਹੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜਾ project ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰੀਏ, ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ, it's a rut. We are always running after something. Almighty always tells us that you got to take a break, think about someone who's created you and why you're actually here. Correct. What is the real purpose?
So ma'am, it was pleasure having you with us. best of luck, and may you shine just like your eyes.
Thank you so much, Raman,
Thank
and
you.
it's all the best
Thank
to
you.
your
Thank you.
channel, and I
Yeah.
hope that it becomes like a blockbuster. And
It is.
breaks
I am
all-
Amritsar. Don't forget to like and subscribe. also.
Absolutely, and I Amritsar, right?
Yes.
So I Amritsar, I will request all the viewers to get more followers, and this is a great way. You have started this initiative, and there are a lot of women who want to do it.
Correct.
But I'll tell you, it takes courage to
Correct.
start something like this.
Correct.
So keep it up, and
Thank you.
any support you need from my end, you have it all.
Pleasure.